It's New Food Friday!
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out. This week we're trying different brands of enchilada sauce. So we have Hatch green chili enchilada sauce, La Palms green chili enchilada sauce, and Old El Paso green chili enchilada sauce. 3 different flavors, or different brands. Not flavors, they're all the same flavor, but different brands. Let's try them out. That one's pretty good. Reminds me of enchiladas. It's a little spicy. Look at this. Kind of sweet, but it doesn't have all the spiciness to it like that one. Let's try this. That one tastes like chili. And they're all like different textures. That one's very thick. That one's saucy. And that one's saucy. I think this one's the best. I'll invite my brothers to have a try. We're trying the Old El Paso. That's very weird.
That reminds me of enchiladas, and it tastes like enchilada sauce.
I think it tastes kind of
And a little spicy.
weird. Spicy, yet weird flavor at the exact same time.
Now let's try the Las Palmas.
That one is way better than the first by a long shot. It is sweet and sour, and it is just delicious.
That one, it has no spice. It tastes pretty good, but it does not taste like enchilada sauce.
What does it taste like?
Like some sort of soup.
Cheese flippy. Want to try the Hatch? Now we're going to try the Hatch green chili enchilada sauce.
That is much thicker. It kind of tastes like the first one.
And it's way spicier.
It has a little bit of spice, but not as much spice.
I would say the winner of these 3 is Las Palmas. That one is just the right spice, the right sweetness. It's perfect.
I like the Old El Paso,
So,
whatever it's called. I like this one because it's spicy, tastes like enchilada sauce, and it reminds me of enchiladas.
so I like the Las Palmas because it's sweet and not really sour and not spicy. I didn't like the Hatch because it was thick and tastes like chili. I don't really like spicy stuff, so I didn't like the Old El Paso. I like the Las Palmas because it's just the right texture and it has the right sweetness, it has the right sourness, it's not spicy, it's nice and creamy, and it reminds me of my dad's beef enchiladas.
I like the Old El Paso because I like the spice. Well, I already told you, but it reminds me of enchiladas.
Green enchilada sauce is our thumbs up.
The Old El Paso would be my least favorite. It kind of tastes like a, I don't know, sweet and sour sauce almost. It's kind of tangy. The Las Palmas would be second. It's really kind of bland, and you can taste a lot of tomatillo in it. I don't know, is that what they're called? Tomatillos, the green tomato things? I like the Hatch because you can actually taste the chilies, and it Tastes more authentic, I think, than the other two. I had never tried this brand before, but I will definitely be looking out for it in the future. So I guess I'll go against the grain Hatch.